This is a video on a 1995 f250 with the 5.7. So what's going on is the water heater core went out. First thing I'm going to do is open this, let the pressure out. What I'm going to do to bypass the heater core is I'm going to splice these two together because the heater core behind here went bad. So after splicing these two together, that's no longer going to leak. And then I'll be able to ride around until I can repair this properly. So I'm going to splice this together and then I'll show you the final result. It should look something like this. There's the splice. I looped it through there just so I could have something to grab on. And then there's the water core. There's the splice. Let's turn it on.